Hello friends, welcome to my channel MNR Creations. Today we are going to learn how to make a pen drive as bootable pen drive to install the Windows 7 or Windows 10. For Windows installation, how to make bootable pen drive. At this topic we need three things. One is your pen drive should be 8 GB. One pen drive we need, and two softwares we need. One is I am using Rufus 2.5. I am using one Rufus 2.5 software, and one more software you need, operating system ISO image file Windows 7 or 10. I am doing Windows 7. Two files are there and one pen drive is there. I have connected to system. First go to open your bootable pen drive software. While you making bootable pen drive software, bootable pen drive, that time you should one pen drive only to your system. Then connect the empty pen drive to your system. It will take the pen drive, and after that it will create master boot record in your pen drive. No need to change over here. Here also no need to change that NTFS new technology file system. It will takes for the pen drive to boot and create the files in the pen drive. And next, Windows label, you can, if you want it is Windows 7 or 7, Windows 10 or 7, you can give label to for confirmation. No need to change anything here, but it should be NTFS system only. If it is FAT32, then just you need to change NTFS file system. Why? Because NTFS file system is more secure. And go to icon is there ISO image file to take the give the path. One image is there. Click on it. It will ask to give the path to the ISO image file. I have Windows 7 on my desktop. I have, and I have give the path to Windows 7 and say open. Then it will say ready. It will say ready. This software 2.5 I am using. You can update 2.5 also. Now we are now we have to go to start. Okay, it is ready. Just say start. It will, after start, it will ask to warning, all data on device, means in pen drive, will be lost. It will be destroyed. If you say okay, then continue. If you having any data in your pen drive, please take backup data and go to okay. Then it will start like this, creating file systems and master boot record, NTFS file system, everything will be created. After that, ISO files will be copying from my system to pen drive. First of all, it will become bootable pen drive. After that, ISO image file will be copying in the pen drive. Okay, it will take some minutes, like 2 to 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It will take some time. In this gap, we will discuss something about see, any pen drive or DVD we can make as bootable pen drives, and we can install from the DVD and pen drive. We can install the operating system from those devices, from those drives, but we cannot install the operating system in those drives. And in hard disks, any laptop hard disk or CPU hard disk, we can install the operating system or Linux, any platform, any flavor operating system we can install in those drives and devices, but we cannot make them as bootable devices and bootable drives. Already we have discussed, we need one 8 GB pen drive, two softwares, one image file of 7 or 10, and one Rufus or any other software. After copying all files in your pen drive, then it will say second ready, and start button will be enabled. If it is says ready, after completion this bar is full. After that it will says ready. Then go to cancel and go to installation in Windows installation. See here it shows ready, means your drive is ready. It has become bootable pen drive. Just go to close, and then you can use the pen drive to install the Windows. In next video I will show you how to install the Windows 7 and 10. Please subscribe and share this video if you like.